Good morning, student. Today we discuss about the SST chapter, manufacturing industries. Manufacturing. Production of goods in large quantities after processing from raw material to more valuable product is known as manufacturing. So, manufacturing convert raw material into furnished product. For example, sugar from sugarcane, cloth from cotton, paper from wood, iron from iron ore. Need of manufacturing. Why we need the manufacturing? Economic Economic strength of a country is measured from the development of manufacturing industries. It is the backbone of our country. So manufacturing gives us the economic strength, and it is the backbone of our economy. They reduce the dependency of people on agriculture, providing jobs, export of manufactured goods, bring foreign exchange, eradicate poverty and employment, reduce poverty and employment, continues countries that transform their raw material into wide variety of furnished goods of higher value are prosperous. So that was the need of manufacturing. Location of industries. Firstly, we see the conditions and we see the different aspects to locate to establish our industry. Firstly, geographical factors. In geographical factor, we see availability of raw material. The raw material provide in proper way. Availability of water provide in proper way. Good climate. So climate condition also is in a good way. Non-geographical factor. Availability of electricity provide. Cheap and skilled labor are provided. Transport and communication facilities, that was important. Market, capital investment, suitable government policies, that was the non-geographical factors that we are need in a good industries location. Now, industry, that concept was very important in industry establishment. For the raw material, main role, capital investment, ownership, plucky and weight of raw material and furnished good. So in raw material, the agro-based industry and mineral-based industry, that was the two different industries. They provide different raw materials. Main role, basic or key industries, and second one, that was the consumer industries. Capital investment, small scale in industries and large scale industries. Ownership, public, private, joint sector, cooperative sector. Bulky and weight, that was the heavy industry or high or light industries. On the basis of source of raw material, agro based we use in agriculture raw material like cotton, jute, wool, silk, textile, rubber, sugar, tea, coffee, etc. In mineral based we use raw material like iron, steel, cement, aluminum, machinery tools, etc. According their main role, the basic key industries, they supply product or raw material to manufacture. In opposite, consumer industry, they produce goods for a directly use for the consumer. In For example, the sugar, toothpaste, paper, fan, etc. So in this, iron, steel, copper, aluminum, smelting, that was the example of the basic industries. On the basis of capital investment, that was the small scale and large scale. If the investment is less than 1 crore, that known as the small scale, that run by less number of people. Or in large scale, the investment is more than 1 crore, that known as large scale, or labor are more. Cotton textile industry, that was the example. On the basis of ownership, public sector, that run by the government, private sector, that run by the individual or group of individual. For example of public sector, that was Bell, SAIL, Indian Oil, United Indian Insurance. Or in private sector, that was the Tata, Reliance, Bajaj Auto, Dabur Industries, that was the example. Joint sector, the industries which are joint run by the state and individuals or a group of individuals, like Oil India Limited is a jointly owned by public and private sector. So jointly sector, that was public and private, both sectors are involved. In cooperative sector, industries are owned and operated by the producer or supply of raw material, workers, or both. They pool in the resource and share the profit or loss proportionally. For example, sugar industry in Maharashtra, the coal industry in Kerala. That was a cooperative. They work in a cooperative, in a different owners, operators, workers, and then they share their profit proportionally basis on the bulky and weight of the raw material and finished good. Heavy industry use heavy and bulky raw material and produce heavy material like iron steel industries. Light industry are light raw material and product light material like electric fans, watches, sewing machine, etc. Now, agro-based industries that was including in cotton textiles. Like first cotton textile mill was set up in Mumbai 1854. The cotton textile is mainly located in Maharashtra and Gujarat because the availability of raw material as back cotton soil is presented. Good transport facility include port facilities, availability of labor, good moist climate, so that was the condition they required in a cotton textile industries. So main export for Japan, USA, UK, France, Sri Lanka, Nepal, East European countries. Cotton textile is produced by the three methods in India: handloom, power looms and mills. Cotton textile industry involves ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing, designing, tailoring and packaging to produce ready-made garments. Challenge to cotton textile industry. So how the problem they face and the challenge they can accept. Scarcity of good quality cotton. Main cotton growing area went to Pakistan during division. Old machinery, erratic power supply, low output from labor, tough competition from the synthetic fibers. That was the challenges they face. That was the industries, the machine that the work. Cotton textile industry, that was the area, that was the cities that involved in a cotton textile, that area that form the cotton textile industries. Agra, Kanpur, Ujjain, Ahmedabad, Rajkot, Indore, Pune, Mumbai, that the mostly area. Hooghly, Chennai. Now next was the jute textile. India is the largest production of raw jute and jute goods. There are about 70 jute mills in our country. First jute mill was set up in Risra, Kolkata in 1859. Jute is used in making rope, bag, carpets, etc. Most of the jute mills are located along Hooghly River in West Bengal. Because raw jute is available for West Bengal, inexpensive water transport, a good network of railways, roadways and waterways to facilitate movement of raw material to the mills, abundant water for processing raw jute, cheap labor from West Bengal and adjoining state of Bihar, Odisha and Uttar Pradesh. Calcutta as a large urban center provides banking, insurance and port facility for export of jute goods. Jute was the in jute, India is the largest production of jute and goods, and 70% mills in our country. So challenging faced by jute industry. Stiff competition in the international market from synthetic substances and from other competitors like Bangladesh, Brazil, Philippines, Egypt and Thailand. So we see the solution in 2005. National jute policy was formulated with the objective of increased productivity, improving quality, ensuring good price to the jute farmers and enhancing the yield per hectare. So next was sugar industry. India states second as a world producer of sugar. India occupies the first place in the production of gur and khanchiri. The raw material used in this industry is bulky. It is second largest agro-based industries after cotton. In 2010-11, there were over 662 sugar mills in the cotton spread over Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana and Maharashtra. Most of the mills are near the sugar cultivated area. So